Another very easy and popular electrical installation is to change a regular switch to a dimmer switch. Now, to select a dimmer switch that's right for the situation you may have around your home, you need to consider how many lights the switch or dimmer switch will be controlling. Now, in this case, with this switch, it controls the 3 lights we have in this little sitting area. Now, each of the bulbs are 100 watt, so the 3 of them together would equal 300 watts. So I needed to get a dimmer switch that would have that type of capacity. In this case, this one had 500 watts, so no problem at all on that. It's always better to get one a little bit bigger than one that's a little smaller than what you actually need. Also, another consideration is whether or not you have a single pole or a multi-pole switch. In this case, I have just one switch that controls the lighting in this area, so it's the easiest to deal with as a single pole. Now, if you have a switch here and another switch across the room, or maybe even a third switch, then you'll need to consider that when you're purchasing the right type of dimmer for your home. There's also a lot of different types of dimmers with rotary type switches, push button, even remote control. The ones I like are the ones with a little switch and then the slide control that's right beside it. Now, to replace a single pole switch with a dimmer is really very easy. I finished removing the old switch by disconnecting the wires from the screws on either side. This dimmer is set up essentially the same as the switch in terms of the connections, so I'm simply putting the wires back in the same locations on the new device. Don't forget to connect the bare ground wire. The dimmer will work without it, but it won't be as safe.